She looking straight at you.
Take it out of my mouth for a little bit, see what happens.
No.
She don't want it out, huh? Take it out, just take it out.
She getting mad.
Yeah, she is.
It is not time for no bottle, I'll tell you that much. So stupid.
Family Guy.